It's also very nice. It's just a fair quote, 2025. Because these eight versions are some very close. It's also Sankt Persgatan on 39 staircase a year. It's built in 1980 with automatic textures and automatic doors. But more at Kone. And so these staircases here be for big staircases here.
Yeah.
Staircase C, which means yeah, it's been most in the 2000s.
Yeah.
Still not bad, but would have been better as with the original.
Yeah.
So that's not bad version.
Yeah.
And it's only the staircases G and K left in Finland now.
Yeah.
Both of the other ones up on the left, the same British 07215. Still two right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beeping buttons.
Inspected by Decorant, maintained by Kone.
Yeah.
Niin me.
There's a kid playing.
Yeah. That's